Namaste. Khush Robert. I, Jeevan Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic. Digestive system. Digestive system belongs to the Human Anatomy and Physiology practical for the B Pharm second semester. Now we come to the human digestive system. The process of reducing food into smaller molecules that can be absorbed into the body. Digestive system consists of two major parts. Major organs, mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Accessory organs, liver, gallbladder, pancreas. Major organs, the mouth, pH 7. The first part of the digestive system, the entry point of food. Structure in the mouth, this is the first part, and saliva is moisten the food and function mechanical digestion. So the esophagus, a tube connecting the mouth to the stomach running through the thoracic cavity. Location lies behind windpipe, trachea. The trachea has an epiglottis. Function: the lining of the esophagus secretes mucus lubricating to support the movement of food. Esophagus sphincter, bolus raised, the stomach must pass through a muscular ringed valve called the esophageal sphincter. Stomach, J-shaped muscular sac, has inner fold and increasing surface area of the stomach. Function: stomach perform mechanical digestion. How? By churning the bolus and mixing in it with the gastric juices secreted by the lining of the stomach. Gastric juices, HCl salts, enzymes, water, and mucus. HCl helps break down of the food and kills bacteria that came along with the food. The bolus is now called chyme. Enzyme in stomach, acidic environment, HCl secretion kill any microbes that are found in the bolus, creating a pH of 2. Mucus prevent the stomach from digesting itself. Pepsin secretion responsible for initiating the breakdown of proteins in food. Hydrolyzes protein of yield polypeptides. pH is 2, the enzyme from the salivary glands stops breaking down carbohydrates. Pyloric sphincter. Chyme moves from the stomach to the small intestine. It passes through a muscular ringed sphincter called the pyloric sphincter. Stomach does not digest itself. Why? Protective mechanism. 3 protective mechanism. First, the stomach only secretes a small amount of gastric juices until food is present. Second, the secretion of mucus coats the lining of the stomach, protecting it from the gastric juices. The third mechanism of the digestive enzymes, pepsin, is secreted in an inactive protein called pepsinogen, and pepsinogen is converted into pepsin into the increased presence of hydrochloric acid. Small intestine. Small intestine is responsible for the complete digestion for all micromolecules and the absorption of their component molecules, example, glucose, glycerol, fatty acids, amino acids, and nucleotides. Parts of the small intestine. The small intestine is made up of 3 parts: duodenum, jejunum, ileum. Duodenum, the first part of the duodenum, U-shaped organ approximately 30 centimeter in length. This area completes most of the digestion process. Enzymes are secreted into the duodenum from the pancreas and the gallbladder. The duodenum is lined by folds of tissue called villi. The villi are covered by fine brush-like microvilli. These folds increase the surface area of the small intestine, increase the rate of absorption. Jejunum. The jejunum is approximately 2.5 m long. Although some digestion is completed here, it has more villi and microvilli. It Its role is absorbed zero nutrient ileum. The ileum is approximately 3 m long, has fewer villi and microvilli than the other two parts. Although absorption also occurs here, it is responsible for pursuing the waste material into the large intestine. Functions of the small intestine: 90% of the digestion and absorption of food occurs, other 10% taking place in the stomach and large intestine. The main function of the small intestine is absorption of nutrients and minerals from food. Digestion of proteins, peptides, and amino acids are acted upon by enzymes such as trypsin and chymotrypsin secreted by the pancreas. This breaks them down to smaller peptides. Absorption in the small intestine: the nutrients are absorbed by the inner walls of the small intestine into the bloodstream. The nutrients are absorbed by process of simple passive diffusion, facilitated diffusion, primary active transport, or secondary active transport. For transport, nutrients commonly rely upon lipids, undergo passive or simple diffusion. Short chain fatty acids diffusion, amino acids primary active transport glucose, secondary active transport fructose, and facilitate diffusion. Absorption in the small intestine: other absorbed substances in the small intestine include water, 80% is absorbed by the small intestine and 10% by the large intestine, and remaining 10% excreted in the faeces. So now we come to the large intestine. Component of large intestine: the large intestine is composed of several very distinctive parts: cecum, colon, and rectum. The colon consists of 4 parts: ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. Sesame, first section of your large intestine looks like a pouch, 2 inches long and rolled, taking a digest liquid from the ileum, small intestine, and passes it on the colon. Colon is major section of the large intestine. Function: the principal place for water reabsorption and absorb salt when needed. Components: the colon consists of 4 parts: ascending colon, transverse, and descending, and sigmoid. Components of colon: ascending colon, first portion of the colon possesses any undigested debris from the cecum just under the right lower and the liver. So, function of large intestine: absorb water, absorb vitamin, and reduce acidity and protect from injection, produce antibodies. This is the short session of digestive system. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.